Hello, and welcome to another update video on Dogecoin. Well, an insane Friday move here, but good reaction to support. I mean, we talked about it only yesterday about exactly this wave count. It's been filled in nicely. If you watched yesterday's video, then you know that I was sketching out here a 1-2 pattern, which could then lead to a third wave rally. The setup for that move was there on the chart. The price pulled back into Fibonacci support here from this swing high around the 14th of August. We saw a 3-wave decline in an ABC structure in what appears to be a B-wave corrective pullback. And then the market started that move to the upside, which I'm labeling wave C. You don't see it here, but it would be a C wave to the upside, should move into that upper blue zone. And actually, maybe even higher, but it depends a little bit on how the subdivisions, play out. Very much possible that this third wave that I'm tracking here, which actually should take us to 45 cents plus, that this is going to be ABC in A, then we get a B, then we get a C, instead of A, B, and extended C wave. But they are both possible. I just from experience, and you see that here, you see that sometimes Doge just goes up quite directly, right? Sometimes Doge just doesn't form the nicely defined structures. When it moves, it moves. It's a meme coin driven by hype, greed, and so on. When we track here the smaller degree movements, then you can see that the market moved up in 5 waves from the August low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exactly that 5-wave move to the upside suggested we should move higher after the next corrective pullback. We have that corrective pullback. And I mean, there's never a guarantee, but the market reacted exactly where it needed to. And sometimes all the market needs is a catalyst. Yeah, something that actually the market was ready for, but it just needed a catalyst. Yeah, just needed something to accelerate that move and finally make it happen. And something that was already baked into the charts, but yeah, as I said, it just needed a move, some kind of a trigger. And this trigger occurred on the price. Well, today obviously we had Jerome Powell speak. However, I have to say, this move to the upside, unfolded, but again, the structure started already yesterday. So this 1-2 setup already happened yesterday. The third wave happened today after the speech, and then, or during the speech, and then, now this is not enough for a full confirmation we've bottomed, right? It's looking good, it's looking promising, but now the next objective for the bulls is a break here above the 24.5 cent level, and then 25.5 cents. And honestly, we also need 5 waves up for further confirmation, but I have to adjust this micro support zone a little higher. It's now between 22.5 cents and 23.4 cents. This is the next support zone against which we can watch for higher prices, And if we get 5 waves up, well, depending on how it unfolds really on the nano level, but if we get 5 waves up, the next pullback could be a 3-wave pullback before we then go higher, So it could very well be that this is an A wave, this is a B wave, and then we get 5 waves up. Wave 1, off C. Wave 2, off C. And then a third wave of that C wave. This is how we are going to track it. Bottom line is, when I have the next 5 waves up, then we get the next, let's say, Elliott wave setup, the next 1-2 pattern. We only had 5 waves up and 3 waves down. You see the effect. If we get the next 5-wave move up, we can add the next support zone to the chart. Tracking an internal 4th wave, that's normally not really a reliable Elliott wave setup, but again, it's a support zone, it's a pivot. And against that support zone, the focus can still be on higher prices. That's what I'm tracking here currently on the Doge chart. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us here on X for additional updates, for additional charts, for discussions, memes, and all sorts of things. Check it out. Sometimes I post charts like Bitcoin dominance here. Sometimes I post charts like the others chart here. So check it out. Hope to see you there. Link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.